Hello, this is Tyler Beamer from Haywood Community College. This is an instructional math video for Math 143. The purpose of this video is to instruct students how to find mean, median, mode, 5-number summary, and standard deviation of a number set using Excel. So as you can see, we have a data set here, and we want to find these calculations. So let's first look at finding the mean. So click on our cell here, double click. Always start the formula with equals. And the nice thing about Excel is you can just start typing in the word. In this case, since we're finding the mean, we can also type in average. So start typing in average, double click the function, and highlight the numbers in your data set. In parentheses, enter, and it will find the mean or the average, which are the same thing. Okay. Median, once again, equals. Start typing in median, and we can double click that. Once again, highlight our data set, in parentheses, enter, and that can get calculated for us. Mode, once again, equals. Start typing in mode. You've got multiple functions for mode here. I would be very careful to double check your answers for mode. You've got mode with multimodal and then single modal. So let's take a look at doing multimodal. So highlight our data, enter. It's giving us an NA because none of the data points repeat, so therefore there is not a mode. But just be careful there. I've had issues using the mode function in Excel. Sometimes if you have two different modes, I've had issues with it only giving one instead of both of them. So modes is the number data point that occurs with the greatest frequency, so that's pretty easy to calculate by hand, so I might want to just do that. Alright, so minimum, that's pretty easy to find if we have a sorted list. We could also type in minimum and it will give us our smallest data value. Okay, Q1, that's the lower quartile or 25th percentile. So if we hit equals and then start typing in quartile, we get two quartile functions. You want quartile exclusive, which excludes the median. So let's double click there. You want to highlight the data, comma, and then you have to tell it which quartile. Do you want the first, which is the 25th percentile, and that's the case here. So we put a 1 in parentheses, enter. And then we do the same for the second quartile, which is the median. So that should not change from the median. We can hit comma 2. That would be the 50th percentile. And then equals quartile exclusive, highlight the data, comma 3 for third quartile or 75th percentile, enter, and then max equals, start typing in max, use the maximum function, and it'll give us the largest value. So that's a 5-number summary that we have there. So I did post another video on Moodle which gives another way to find median and mean using the data analysis tool, but it does not give you the quartile, so this is probably the easiest way for that. And then standard deviation, this is really important. So equals, start typing in standard deviation, and notice we've got a couple here. So you've got population standard deviation and we've got sample standard deviation. So since we have a sample, we want to choose it, so double click there. So stdev.s, highlight the data, in parentheses, enter, and we get standard deviation. That is invaluable. Being able to find standard deviation that quickly using Excel. Calculating standard deviation by hand is extremely tedious, so I would highly recommend using Excel as an aid here. Okay. Alright, I hope this video helps. Please use it for homework, quizzes, tests, and have a great day.